Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Wow, look at here guys. Here some superheroes fight each other. Wow, it's knife, yeah. Yes, with his hand. Wow, this is hammer, race bike, and then the fighting superheroes. Ho ho ho! Wow! Just fantastic! Yes! Look at the sword! Yes! And then some dinos. It's look dangerous in this. Wow! Yes, it's amazing muddy ties. Yes, I love this ties. Wow, it's so super. Okay, guys, let's go and washing these toys. Yes! Guess this dino? Yes! T-Rex! The next one? Yes! This is golden sword! Yes! The next one? Yes! This is a bag! Tennis bag in pink color. Wow! Another bag in pink color. No, this is in orange color. Wow! Yes! Yes, I like the sound. Yes, this bag in green color. Next one. Yes, this is hammer. Hammer. Yes. The next one. Yes, two stack ring. Blue and green color. Yes. The next one. Yes, this is a dino. And wow, look at the length. It's diplodocus. Come on guys, this is superhero. Guess his name? Yes, his name is Venom. The next one. Yes, this is Hummingbird. Yes, Rooster. I am. The next one. Yes, superhero Batman in red color. The next one. Yes, this is Dino in green color. Name is Stegosaurus. Yes, another superhero. Yes, name is Spiderman. Wow. Yes. Another superhero. Name Superman. Yes, Hummingbird. I am. Yes, this is Rooster. Cockaraco Rooster. Next next one, yes, the another knife, kitchen knife. The next one, yes, score in red color, yes. The next one, yes, dino. Allosaurus. The next one, yes, small dino, flying dino, pterodactyl. Yes, this is also a small dino in dark blue color. Yes, this is 3 small dino. Wow. Yes. Here the final dino entry. Yes, one is red and the one is light pink and one is orange. And then next, yes, this is Buddha, black and brown color horse. The next one, yes, is home animal cow, mama cow. Yes, another mama cow. Okay guys, that's it this video. Please subscribe this channel for more videos. Bye bye.